What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Michaela. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this very cute and simple crochet look. So I have individual crochets in the front and like cornrows in the back. If you don't know how to do cornrows, you can do this individual twist method throughout your entire head. But anyway, I got my twists from my local beauty supply for $6.99. And these are just the regular jumbo pre-loop twists. You'll see later in the video the type of twists I used. And I don't really like these twists, to be honest. I didn't mention it in the video, but I don't really like these twists because they're like very frizzy. And like I think they're kind of loose than like the normal crochet Havana twist or the crochet Singhalese twist or the other kinds of twists that you can use to crochet your hair. But these are like very loose. Like the texture of these twists are very loose. Like look at how loose these twists are. I don't know if you can tell, it may be just me, but I feel like they are very loose. Anyway guys, yeah, that's all I have to say. Please stay tuned to see how you can achieve these individual crochet twists, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and look in the description below so you can follow me on all my social media, my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Twitter. I'm not really big on Twitter yet, but I'm like trying to get a following on Twitter. So if you could help me out by going and following me on Twitter, and you know, yeah. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Thursday.
Okay guys, so this is my braiding pattern. My hair is parted down the middle, and these little twisty things are braided at the very top and double strand twist the rest of the way down. I did my sections a little bit too big, and so I would recommend you doing yours smaller than what I did. And I have 5 cornrows in the back of my head. I personally do not know how to do cornrows, so I had my aunt do my cornrows. If you don't know how to do cornrows, you can find somebody else to do cornrows, or you can individual twist these crochets in throughout your entire head. And also I moisturize my hair with coconut oil, but you can use whatever moisturizer you prefer. My hair is a 14-inch jumbo loop twist. It's pre-looped, and it's in the color 1B for $6.99 from my local beauty supply. So in order to do these twists, what you're going to do first is slide your crochet hook through the root of your hair. Next, you're going to put the pre-looped hair on top of the crochet needle and close the hook and just slide it through. Simple as that. I kind of ditched the crochet needle because I find it easier to work with my fingers afterwards. So I just pull the weave through the loop, and then I twist. I don't want to call it twist, but I like pull my hair through the loops of the twist, through the individual loops of the twist, without like skipping any loops. Don't worry y'all, I'm about to do this like close up with like more detail if I can. So yeah, it's not gonna be as confusing, hopefully. Okay guys, for this close-up on how I do these individual crochets, what I do is I take the twist, my real hair, and I slide my crochet needle through the root of my twist. Next, I take my pre-looped hair, the crochet weave, and I put it onto the hook and just pull it through the root of my hair. I take the loop and I slide the weave through the loop, not my hair, only the crochet weave, and I pull it to tighten it and make it secure. Next, you're going to have 2 sections, the weave and your real hair, and you're going to want to slide your hair through each individual section of that twist. Pull it apart and try not to like skip a hole, skip a section, whatever you want to call this, and just like pull your hair through each individual little hole or section in that crochet twist. This will give it like a seamless look. It's not even noticeable that you have your twist in the middle of this twist. but I hope I'm explaining it right. So just watch the video and see if you can get any more information that I missed from what you saw. And I hope like I'm explaining it right. I really hope that I'm explaining it right. But anyway, on to the cornrow. I'm not going to go into much detail about how to crochet with a cornrow, because I believe if you are trying to do an individual twist, then you probably already know how to crochet with the cornrow. So I just slide my crochet hook up under the cornrow, pull it through, and loop the hair. That's all. I have other videos on my channel of me doing crochet with cornrows, so you can just check those out on the channel if you need help with this step.
Okay guys, so that's it for the rest of this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below for video suggestions, or tell me if you're going to try this style or not. And don't forget to check out the description below. I'll have a few links to videos of crochets that I did in the past, and I'll also have my social media. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat and my Twitter. So I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.